Right now, here's Erilyn driving the Kraton. Keep going, don't stop. If you stop, it'll get stuck. I've got it turned way down to kid mode. It's just trucking right through the snow. Ah, into the straight. Back up. Oh, didn't make it. Turn and go straight at it, Erilyn. There you go. Nope, now you gotta back up. Go at it from the ramp. You're gonna have to go at it from the ramp side. I'll even stay on this side so if you go over the ramp and it jumps, I can get a good video. Oh, you gotta go faster than that. Don't run yourself over. Where are you going? Ah! Hi, Jack. Gotta back up. Gotta back up. Yikes. Jack, shush! See, even 8-year-olds can have fun with this. You ran me over! I'm gonna take your driver's license away if you do that again. I should probably turn the steering rate down for her too, since I turned the power down.